Okay, just like this. This was perfect. Okay, so the only thing I needed here was for this first box. So when you click, let me go through that again just one more time for clarity. So all locations, and then the user wants to input a new location, a new save location, right? A
Hmm.
work location.
Huh?
So they click new location,
Hmm.
and the first box here, the first line,
Hmm.
appears editable to allow the user to simply input the name of the location, the address, and select the pin color. Okay, so even this design right here is much better than what we have right now. With the action, with the where you see action, the column,
Hmm.
with the edit and the trash can icon,
Hmm.
it looks much better than what we have here with this plus icon. So I wanted everything to stay exactly like this.
Hmm.
Only thing is that the first line is editable.
Thank you.
That's it.
Huh?
But this is what we needed.
Yes, yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And for select pin, if you recall, once you select the pin here of your choice, the
Hmm.
pin should show up under this tab, right? So I had mentioned this earlier, and I think what we did is once you select the pin, it shows you red pin. But it's not, I want you to actually show the pin itself appear in the box, not just the name.
Yes, sir. Because actually those are the images, right? Four images. So means when we click on that pin, that's mean the server should fetch the images, that particular image, and display there, right?
Correct. Yes. That's what should happen. Once you select the pin, like for instance here, I select this pin, it's the red pin, yes, but it should not show a red pin. It should show the actual pin itself in the box.
Okay, sir.
Okay? And
Click
yeah,
on
so
plus.
that's it. So this is great. This is good. This is what I wanted, right? Only thing is though, it should appear in this format here.
Yes, yes.
So we should have the plus button here,
Hmm.
right? And then once you click on it, it adds a new line. Okay, so the functionality there is great. It's just the design I want it to stay exactly like this because this design looks much neater than what we currently have.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so use this design, uh, plus icon, and then
Hmm.
once you click it, the exact same thing happens. It generates a new box below.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and when you click new location, the
Hmm.
first line is editable.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. But sir,
Yeah.
uh, why there are five lines? Because lines should only be generated when user click on the plus icon, right?
Correct. So the reason why, let me just go back to that page. So there are five lines here because, or however many, one, two, three, yeah, there are five lines because here, what it's showing you all the saved locations. Okay,
Okay, okay.
so for instance, here you're showing, like, if you look at the actual document that I sent you, these are all different locations, right? So what you're actually seeing here is all the previous saved locations, and it gives you the ability to edit and delete it, as
Mm-hmm.
well as create a new location.
Okay,
So
okay.
think of this as the location management box, right? So
Okay.
here you can manage all the saved locations, create new locations, edit already saved locations, etc. Stuff like that.
Okay, sir. Let me tell you what we have done the last time. This page all was looking the same. There were the plus icon and two lines. Okay, but when we were clicking on the first line, it were creating the issues. Means wasn't creating the line in means it wasn't creating the line in between those two saved lines. For example, suppose here first and second line, and if